What's up everyone? I'm Brian Rawson, wedding videographer at BSR Wedding Films. Today I'm going to talk about all the deliverables that I offer with each wedding that I film. There are 6 different types of videos each client potentially receives depending on their package. Now today I'm not going to talk about how I structure these packages, but rather what specific deliverables I offer. And these are listed in order of their length: social media clips, teaser trailer, highlight film, full ceremony film, rehearsal dinner film, and raw footage collection. Now I'm going to explain what each of these are and how long after the wedding the couple receives each film. I'm going to change up the order a bit and start with the highlight film. For every wedding, the couple receives a highlight film. This is the main feature, the most emotionally moving, set to beautiful music, all the best audio and moments are included. This is the one that most of their friends and family are going to watch back and hopefully shed a few tears along the way. The couple will receive either a highlight film around 6 minutes in length, or I offer a longer version that's closer to 10 minutes in length. The longer version, of course, costs more. It typically takes 4 months after the wedding for me to complete this story-driven edit. Here's an example from a recent highlight film.
Matt, you are the steady, stoic rock. God has hardwired you with this serious mind and demeanor, but here's the thing, underneath that stoic outer shell is this man who is warm-hearted. You are genuinely considerate of others. I've seen it in the way you minister. I've seen it in the way that you move toward your bride. What gets me excited is to think about you continuing to pour all of those strengths and those gifts into your marriage.
Now leading up to those 4 months, what else does the couple receive? They also will receive a full ceremony film. This is a traditional linear edit of the wedding ceremony as it happened in its entirety. I cut between the various camera angles, sync up the high quality audio. I don't add any additional background music. It's simply all the sounds and audio from the wedding ceremony as it happened in real time. Here's a recent example from Kendra and Connor's wedding from February 2022. I deliver these edits in 2 to 3 months after the wedding.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
And I pledge you my faithfulness.
And I pledge you my faithfulness.
I love it. These vows are so great because what we're promising each other is not just, hey, I'll stick with you as long as I'm happy, or I'll stick with you as long as things are good. We are, as Christians, committed to saying, even if things get hard, this marriage is sticking together. You're promising each other and us, even in the worst of times, this love doesn't fade. Love is much more than an infatuation or emotion. This is a commitment you guys are making to one another.
All right, so what if the couple doesn't want to wait 2 months to watch back footage from their wedding day? Well, that's where the teaser trailer is a great option that I offer. So the teaser trailer is delivered within 3 weeks after the wedding. And this is like a much shorter version of the highlight film. It contains dynamic music, a few key audio moments, and is a great short summary of the wedding day. Here's a recent teaser trailer I did for Alex and Steven's wedding in May 2022.
Steven, I can't believe this day is finally here. It will forever be my favorite day.
AJ, the day is finally here. The day where I finally have the honor of calling you wife.
Alex Jones! You are a friend I've always prayed for. Someone who accepts you and loves you for exactly who you are and where you are in life.
You have become the most gorgeous woman, inside and out, and I'm so lucky to have you by my side.
Steven and Alex, because your deep love for each other comes from God, in this sacred moment and with reverence, I now ask you to declare your intent.
You've been by my side through the last 9 years, and it all feels so surreal today.
The day where I feel completed by joining the perfect other half of me forever.
He's one of the best people I know. I could not ask for a better brother.
So far I've mentioned the highlight film, full ceremony film, and teaser trailer. Now I'm going to talk about social media clips. So the week after the wedding is the best time to capitalize on the excitement and the buzz following a couple's wedding. During this time, the couple's excitement is still sky high from the wedding. Their friends have already posted all their pics onto Instagram, and there's just an excitement still around the wedding. So if you can post some clips of social media within a few days or at least the week after the wedding, that is a great opportunity to showcase your work quickly. I highly recommend posting some sort of, maybe it's an emotional first look moment, something funny that happened during the reception, or simply just a real short montage of the day. Creating these 15 to 30 second social media clips is essential. And here's a few examples of social media clips that I'll post.
We don't touch dresses anymore. So beautiful. Haley!
Oh my God, the tickler. Oh, beautiful. Oh.
Thank you.
You're gorgeous.
Don't make me cry. Don't do it. Don't do it. Give me a hug one more time. I love you. You're tearing up. Oh man. Are you okay?
Are you okay? Yes.
You sure?
I am. Okay. So beautiful and good. I love you so much.
Thanks.
Now there's two more types of edits that I sometimes create for weddings. First up is the rehearsal dinner film. When a couple hires me to film the rehearsal dinner the night before, often there will be anywhere from 6, 8, 12, 15 speeches given at the rehearsal dinner. And I love using portions of those speeches in the couple's main highlight film, but I will also create a separate full edit of all the speeches as they happened in full, and that's delivered after the couple receives their highlight film.
So most of you know Lauren well, but if you don't, you know she is not the loudest personality in the room, but you feel her presence through her thoughtfulness. She is the most loyal friend, and she is always thinking of her friends and her family first. I have been showered with little gifts and just tokens of her appreciation during the past year of wedding planning, and I feel like I have not even done anything. But she...
And finally, if the couple still wants to watch back more footage from their wedding day, I offer what is called the raw footage collection. Now, raw footage, usually there's two main ways that a videographer will deliver raw footage. One is unedited raw footage, and essentially what you're doing is you're taking all the clips, putting them on a hard drive and sending that off to the couple. I rarely do this as I find that it's really not the best user experience to sift through hundreds of video files and watch back all these random short clips from the wedding day. So instead, what I do, I call it a raw footage collection, and I take those clips and I will separate them into different parts of the day. So for example, one sequence I will create for just the preparations, another sequence maybe for the details, another sequence for the formal dances, and so on. This is similar to what some call a FOMO edit or a doc edit. I will upload these separate video files into the client's VidFlow gallery, create a folder called raw footage, and there you go. It looks great, and it's ready to watch anytime from any device. So what about you? What deliverables are you sending to your wedding clients? And how are you delivering those? I'd love to find out. Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.